This video is sponsored by ConductorOSS.com, the open-source project that's changing how you run AI coding agents. ConductorOSS.com runs fully on your own machine with support for Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini CLI. github.com/tyrannyk06/conductor-oss. Check the link in the description. Let's talk about what just happened in local AI. Ollama just dropped something massive. On March 30th, 2026, Ollama released version 0.19. And it's not just an update. It's a complete rebuild on Apple's MLX machine learning framework. If you have a Mac with Apple Silicon, this is the fastest Ollama has ever run. Period. The numbers are shocking. On the M5 Max chip, prefill performance jumped from 1154 tokens per second to 1810. That's a 58% improvement in a single release. Decode speed went from 58 tokens per second to 112. Almost double. This isn't incremental. This is a generational leap in local AI performance. And the best part, it's completely free. Open source. Runs on your own hardware. Let's break it down. Here's why this matters so much. For years, local AI had a trade-off. You could run models on your own hardware and own your data. But you paid for it in speed. Cloud APIs like OpenAI were fast but expensive, and your prompts went somewhere else. On Mac, that trade-off was even harder. Apple Silicon was powerful, but the local AI tooling wasn't taking full advantage of it. Until now. Ollama 0.19 changes the equation. By rebuilding on MLX, Apple's machine learning framework, it taps into something called unified memory architecture. That's the same architecture that makes Apple's M-series chips so fast for video and image editing. For the first time, running a 35 billion parameter coding model locally on a Mac doesn't feel like a compromise. For personal assistants like OpenClaw, and coding agents like Claude Code, OpenCode, and Codex, this means real-time responses instead of waiting for the cloud. Your hardware. Your data. Now actually fast. Let's talk about what's actually under the hood. MLX is Apple's machine learning framework. Apple released it in 2023 specifically for Apple Silicon, and it takes full advantage of the unified memory architecture in M-series chips. Traditional AI setups move data between different types of memory. Your CPU memory, your GPU memory, they're separate pools. That takes time. Apple Silicon has one unified memory pool. Your CPU and GPU share the same memory. No data copying. No overhead. MLX was built to exploit exactly this. When you run Ollama 0.19 on an M5, M5 Pro, or M5 Max, it uses something Apple calls the GPU neural accelerators. These are dedicated silicon blocks for machine learning tasks. The result is that time to first token and generation speed both improve dramatically. And Ollama didn't stop there. They added NVIDIA's NVFP4 quantization format. This is a new floating point format that preserves model accuracy while using less memory bandwidth. The practical meaning, you get production quality responses from a model that runs on your Mac. Here's the live Ollama demo from the announcement. Watch it in action. The terminal window shows a conversation with a model running on Ollama with MLX. The model explains MLX, Apple's machine learning framework, in real time. The key line you see in the demo, done thinking, followed by a detailed explanation of MLX, covering the unified memory architecture, the Python-friendly API, and how it leverages the GPU and neural engines simultaneously. This is what 112 tokens per second looks like in a real terminal session. And the context Ollama gave was a single prompt explaining MLX. In previous versions, this would have taken noticeably longer. With MLX on Apple Silicon, it feels instantaneous. The demo is short, but it shows something important. This isn't a benchmark chart victory. It's a real-world experience improvement. For coding agents that need to think, plan, and write code, milliseconds matter. And with these improvements, local AI on Mac is finally competitive with cloud APIs for interactive coding work. Let's look at the benchmarks. because these numbers are genuinely impressive. The Qwen 3.5-35 BA3B model, quantized to NVFP4, tested on March 29, 2026 against Ollama 0.18. On prefill performance, the speed at which the model starts generating after receiving your prompt, Ollama 0.19 hit 1810 tokens per second. That's compared to 1154 for 0.18. A 58% jump. On decode performance, the speed at which the model generates tokens in real time, Ollama 0.19 hit 112 tokens per second. Compared to 58 for 0.18. That's 93% faster. Almost double. The footnote is important though. Ollama says version 0.19 will see even higher performance with version 1.0 quantization, reaching 134 tokens per second on decode. This preview release is already that fast. These aren't cherry-picked scenarios. This is consistent improvement across the entire inference pipeline. And here's the thing about NVFP4, this isn't a quality sacrifice. NVIDIA developed it specifically so that quantized models match full precision results in production. What you get locally is what you'd get from a paid API. The local AI stack is coming together beautifully. Ollama 0.19 with MLX is the inference engine. It runs 35 billion parameter models on your Mac at incredible speed. But what do you do with a fast local model? This is where coding agents come in. Ollama now lists 3 of them as first-class use cases in this announcement. Claude Code, which is Anthropic's coding agent. OpenCode, the open-source coding agent. And Codex, OpenAI's CLI tool. These agents connect to Ollama and use local models for everything: reading your codebase, writing new files, running terminal commands, planning complex refactors. Now add Conductor OSS into this stack. Conductor OSS is github.com/tyrannyk06/conductor-oss, and it's the orchestration layer for all of these agents. You connect it to Ollama, you connect it to Claude Code, you connect it to Codex, and you have a complete local AI coding system where your data never leaves your machine. OpenClaw gets mentioned specifically in the Ollama announcement. It's a personal assistant that connects messaging apps to local AI coding agents, all running on your own device. The command to try it right now is Ollama launch OpenClaw, followed by the model name Qwen 3.535 BA3B coding NVFP4. One command. Fully local. Works with Claude Code, OpenCode, and Codex. The local AI coding stack just became a real alternative to cloud APIs. If you want to see what this full local stack looks like in practice, check out the Conductor OSS repo at github.com/tyrannyk06/conductor-oss. The repo shows a dashboard where you can launch coding agents with one click. Claude Code, OpenCode, Codex, Gemini CLI, they're all there, all configurable, all running on your own machine. No API keys required. No cloud dependencies. No data going anywhere. The screenshots show the agent picker, the native launch configurations for each agent, and the chat interface where you manage everything. If you've been waiting for local AI to be production ready, this is the stack. Check the links in the description. Conductros.com and github.com/tyrannyk06/conductor-oss. If this video was useful, go check out Conductros.com. It's the open source project that ties all your local coding agents together: Claude Code, Codex, Gemini CLI, OpenCode, all of them. Fully local. github.com/tyrannyk06/conductor-oss. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more breakdowns on what's actually moving the AI industry forward, not the hype. Until next time.